Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any easy tutorials and honest reviews. Today I am going to show you the best Linktree alternatives for 2025. So if you are tired of the same old Linktree page or you want more features and customization, stick around. I will break down three amazing options. One of is Squarespace. Squarespace is completely free. Then second one is biosites. Let's search it, biosites, and then let's click. And the third number is Canva. And what makes them different and how to set up your own link in bio page step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So why look for a Linktree alternative? So actually, before we jump in, we just need to understand why even we are looking for a Linktree alternative. So Linktree is a super popular for sharing multiple links on Instagram, TikTok, or social profile, but it can feel limited. You might want better design options, more control over branding, extra features like email signups or payment, or just a fresh look that stands out. So let's check out two great alternatives that give you more power and personality. So first of all, alternative about Squarespace. So here you can see this one, like you probably know Squarespace as a website builder, but did you know you can create a beautiful link in bio landing page with two? Here's why Squarespace works great as a link to alternative. First of all, let's create an account. Just click to the login because I already have an account, and then I will click to the continue with this one, and then click to the agent project, and then I will click to the continue, and it will land us to the dashboard. So here you can see this is the dashboard. So actually, but why Squarespace works great as a Linktree alternative? Because it has full creative control. Use any fonts, colors, images, or videos. Built-in analytics to track clicks. You can add from email, signups, and even fill products directly. Your page lies on your own domain, which looks way more professional. How to do it? You just need to visit Google like squarespace.com, then sign up or log in and choose a blank page template like create a website, and then you just need to choose options. So here I will select this one is a photography, and then I will go to the next, and then I will click to any of them, sell product, then click to the next, and then choose a template. From that place you can only choose a simple one, just this one, and then go straight with design. Once you're done, then here you can get your website for your users. So here I can see that it is on the processing, so we just need to wait a bit. So when it's done, you just need to click on off this edit side, and here you just need to create a page for you. So I will create a page, blank page, and then I will give a name that will be my portfolio link. And here actually I added the link, and now you just need to use drag and drop builder to add buttons, text, image, or video blocks. So here you can actually see this is the interface of Linktree. So we are going to replicate this design on this Linktree platform. So here I will come back this place, and then I'll click to the edit. Once I click over here, then here I will click add sections and add a blank sections over that place. When I add it, let's click to add a block. So first of all, what we just need to add, we just want to add our image. So I will click to the image, and then I will upload the file. Then let's scroll down and let's find it out, our desired image. So let's see where is our image actually. So we will find out in here. So let's yeah, this one. So it already been uploaded, so you can do edit this way. You can place it here into the middle, then you can edit furthermore. Here you can see we have the link. You can add link, you can design it, you can change the radius, you can make the radius 50. Let's do it 50. then 50 again, and then 50 again. Or if you want more roundness, then make it 100. Similarly with all of them, 100. Do the same thing with this one and the same thing with this one, or you can make it more, like 2050, 250, 250, and then 250. Or you can make it this here, and you just need to place it in the middle, and then you can see they have the title and the bio. So I will come over that place and then click to the add block again, and then I will add the text, or you can find it a heading. So there's no heading option, so we just need to be add the text panel in here. So this one work for our bio. So I will give a bio brown to content creations. So here you can see we already text it, and if you click over this button, and here you can do your thing. You can place it here, you can make it bold, you can change the color, also you can do things here. So I'll click over here, then click to the color and make it. So let's find out the color edit, and from that place I will change the color. I will make it white. Let's choose this one and make it white, and you can see it already become white. So now if you want to add a new place any link, you just need to go over here button and then place it here, and I will make it in Instagram or YouTube. So let's click to this one, and then I will change the text here. I will make it YouTube, and if you want to change the design, you can change it. Here we have secondary button, then we can make it fit, or we can make it fill. Then here if you want to change the color, you can change it also. From that place there is a couple of options we have. So now you can see it is similarly looking like the Linktree account. So when done, you just need to copy your link and add it to your Instagram or TikTok bio, and you are good to go now. So it is the similar one, I hope. And also the main thing is it is a responsive one. If you want to make it responsive, you are allowed to make it responsive also. So now let's talk about the second alternative, that is biosites by SEMrush. So let's go back to biosites. So biosite is especially built as a modern Linktree alternative, and it is completely free. As of why people love it in 2025. It is super easy drag and drop builder. Then it has a stylish template for creators, influencer and businesses, and it has unlimited links. Like it allows to add unlimited links, videos and social icons. Then it has built-in analytics to track link and clicks. Then it has custom background branding and themes. So how you can do it? You just need to go over here to our sites, and then you just need to click here sign up for free. Once you click over here, then here you just need to provide your username. So let's provide my username, and then here you just need to click this one, and here you just need to click on this ones, and here I will choose my email address, then click to the continue. And here actually you can see it will take a couple of minutes, and now it is totally the similar one, the Linktree. So let's click on this, and here I will add my name here. My name is this, and you can add the image also over that place. So let's place any image over here. So let's search for the man, and let's see, does we have? Yes, we have, and I already place it here, and I will make it middle, and then I will click to the save, then click to the next one, and here they are telling us to add Instagram handles. Let's Instagram, let's go and place it here, and then I will click this one, and here you can add links, your URL. Let's place this one and just click this one, and here you can share your site. This is the easiest way. So you just let me recap. Go to your biosite.com and sign up for free, and pick things that fits your style, the colorful, minimum, dark mode, whatever you like. Then add your profile photos, bio and all your important links. Then drag in widget and like your YouTube videos, Shopify playlist or your latest blog post. Copy your unique biosites link and paste it into your bio on Instagram, TikTok or anywhere you want. Let me give one bonus that you can check analytics to see which links get the most clicks. Super helpful for creators and brands. So now let's view our this one. Let's see the eventual result. Here actually you can see it looks really amazing. So here if I click over that place, it will redirect us to the Instagram. So now let's talk about the alternative number 3, that is Canva link in bio. So in 2025, Canva has stepped up its link in bio page builder, and it is amazing for people who want full creative freedom. Canva's link bio features lets you design your page exactly how you want, like no coding needed. Then use Canva massive library or template icons or images. Then you can add button text and videos and animations. Then you can customize font and colors to match your brand. Then you are able to publish instantly with a free Canva domain or your own custom domain if you upgrade. How you can do it? You just need to log into your Canva account and search for link in bio here, link in bio, and let's search it. And here actually you will find out this template. You just need to select one of them and just click to the customize the template, and here you are allowed to add link. Like here, click to the three dot, and here you can see we are allowed to add the link. So you can easily integrate your link through these options, and once you finish, you just need to click to the publish and get your unique link and share it to your official portfolio or profiles. It is super beginner friendly. You don't need any design skill to make it look amazing. So let me give you an extra tip, that is keep it simple. Don't overwhelm visitors with too many links. Put your most important links at the top, like your latest YouTube video or product launch. Upgrade your page often to match what you are promoting right now. Check your analytics, so what people click, and adjust your links to boost results. And that's it. Now you know it, the best or Linktree alternative in 2025 is Squarespace, Biosites, and Canva. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.